Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankara and I make DIY videos. In this video today, I'll be making this infinity scarf. Infinity scarf are really great and I just like the combination of the color that I chose. So yeah, let's just get started. So I chose this elasticy jersey material and then the Ankara fabric. So I turned the fabric the right side facing and I pinned them. The width of the material and I left the height open, so that's how it looks like. And then I went on and I put on my sewing machine and I sew it. After finishing sewing, I went on and I cut down all the excess fabric. I put the width together and I sew it. Last and final step is just closing down the height of the fabric, and that's basically it. And this is how it looks like. So I would like you to press on the next video so you can see how I style this infinity scarf. And I thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're old Sabi, I want to appreciate you for returning to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.